Very good morning, everybody. Hope we're doing well this fine morning. Let's get this day absolutely started. Let's see. Let's get it. New day. I think there's some trades coming. What do you think, Josh? All right. Let's break it down and see what's good. Okay, Sagar, what's good? Good morning. EU buys. Interesting. Let's take a look at that also. Alright, let's take a look at this monthly candle like that, weekly candle pushing up on GJ, daily candle closed bearish, not exactly bearish but not exactly bullish either, with a rejection wick. So let's look at the 4-hour time frame. Yeah, this is the resistance that's created at the flat level, 194. 194, nice. Just look at that. Alright, so that's the resistance level that we have up there, along with a support level down here. Let's just look for it. Yeah, this is the low that I'm gonna be looking at holding, because look at the wick, right? It's right there at the wick. So we're gonna see. 1 second. From there up to 250. Beautiful. So there you go, that's the support level that we will look at holding. You can see how nicely it's held across here. This is gonna be our previous low, and above here, if we break this high, we will look at that being our previous market structure high to continue up. But right now, maybe we can continue. So daily, I'm kind of bearish on the daily, so I think we can continue selling. Let's see how price reacts to 194 flat once we reach up into the 194 range. Alright, other than that, GJ is okay. Let's check GU. Weekly time frame. Oh, look at that weekly time frame. We're proper bearish. Look at that, properly bearish. Yeah, exactly what we were looking for the last few days. So let's just see resistance up there. We're now approaching this support right here, which we need to be cautious at. So what level is that support? $750 to around the 500 level. Same thing. Let's see, 4-hour time frame. Yeah, that is the resistance level which we looked at coming down from. Let's just mark the 500, I think is better. And there you go. So 750, 500 being a key rejection area. Oh. Yeah, key rejection area. We're coming down to this support, so we're going to be cautious over there, of course. Since the daily is now bearish, of course, we're going to be looking for different things. But let's see, have we created... Okay, we've created a little bit of a resistance up here at 1.25 flat. Let's see, I'm just gonna mark out all the QPs and just keep them. Primarily looking for sells. Let's see, daily time frame bearish. Okay, yeah. Looking for morning. Looking for shorts. I'm looking for euro dollar shorts. From maybe this level 500. If we can pull back to 500, that'll be fantastic. Good morning, guys. Hit that like button. And let me know if you want me to break down any particular pair. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, good morning. Say good morning if you're there in the chat. Let's get today popping off. Alright, so that's GU for me. GU is the thing is we're also close to a support right now, a high time frame support. So we need to be a little cautious on GU. EU on the other hand, let's break it down. Weekly time frame also bearish on EU. Nice. Let's see. Bearish on the weekly, daily, hourly. Okay, perfect. So let's just look at this. What did we reject? 1.08 flat. Perfect. Okay, and we have the 750 level which we rejected very strongly. Perfect. So when I look at it now, I am trading at this resistance, right? Previously we fell from this level. So that is really good for me personally, because that's where I'm looking to get my trades in. So I'm just gonna bring this down just a bit to see whether I can. Yes, we can. Let's wait for price to come back up into this zone and then look for a short. I'm looking for sells on EU2, guys. I'm looking for sells on EU. I think our target could be 250 and then look to continue down. Mostly bothered by this. This one doesn't bother me. Yeah, mostly the lower level. So we kinda have a decent pip range to the downside. From here, about 75 pips we could say. Right there. So I'm looking for shorts, guys. Hit that like button, say what's up. Let me know what you're looking at. Sagar is looking at EU buys. Very interesting. I'm not seeing buys right now. I'm seeing shorts. Let me know if y'all are looking for something similar. Hit that like button, guys. Let me know EU longs or EU shorts. Let's see. GU longs or GU shorts? Put it in the chat. Let's get those charts in. Okay, good. Josh, you sending in charts. Ash, you also send in some charts. What are you seeing, Josh, on these pairs? What are you seeing on GU?
I'm not looking at GU, Sam, as of now, but it's shorts in my opinion. But I'm not getting a clear picture of it, so I'm looking at EU.
Okay, and EU?
EU, I'm looking at shorts, Sam.
Okay.
The 4 hour just has to just tap into 500,
Yeah, that'll be a beautiful one.
and
Yeah,
then
EU looks good.
Yeah.
Market
GD
structure is
also looks
bearish and
wise.
it's good to continue down.
Yep. Daily time
GD
frame
also
is so
looks good
bearish.
for buys also, Sam, but stops are a little bit.
So where I be cautious with EU is right at this 250 level. That's the only time I would need to be cautious with EU. But this zone is looking good for a shot. Yeah, let's see if we can tap in. That would be fantastic. And then we can short it all the way down. Hello, looking for EU shots as well. Let's go light within you. Fantastic. Hit that like button. We're all looking for shots then, most of us. Come on, guys. 10 of us in the chat. Let's get 10 likes up on the board. Also, let me know whether y'all are looking for EU shots as I am. Let me go to G Gold. Alright, on the daily, we've been respecting this support. On the daily, we have this resistance. So that's why yesterday I told you guys that I'm personally waiting for market structure to break out, right? On gold. So when we look at gold, we look at this previous support zone that we have to the left. I'm gonna mark this key level right over here, 2030. So it's 2030 to 2025. That way you have a nice little 50 pip zone on one end, and on the other end you have this support zone. $82,500. 77,500. So this is the zone that gold has held as a support. Not much you can do about it. So as we come down the time frames, you can see the way price has been respecting this zone. So I need price to break the market structure high or the market structure low. But actually, even if we break that low, we have these two supports waiting for us right over here. $20.70, $22.70. Alright. This is the actual level of support that you want to be focused on. Right over here. So let's see gold on the weekly time frame. What are we? We're looking bullish or bearish? Put it in the chat, guys. Hit that like button and put it in the chat. Daily time frame. Are we bullish or bearish? Right? Weekly time frame. Are we bullish or bearish? You can see it clearly. I've drawn the support zones. Look at the 4-hourly time frame. We've aligned it up perfectly. Look at the resistance that we have. Really nice resistance if we take out these highs, because look at this level which we bounced off from again and again. Alright, so you're looking to take out the previous market structure high, retest and continue to fill in this clean traffic zone. If not, you're looking to reject this high and come down to support. As of now, we don't have a breakout of this range. Can you see we're just trading within this range? This is the range we're trading in. There's no breakout yet. When we do get a breakout, that'll be interesting. Okay, so guys, put it in the chat. Let me know if y'all are looking for something similar. Let me know if you're looking for something similar. Previous market structure low is marked. That means I want to bring this a little further up. 67,500. Okay, nice. So we can increase this level to probably something a little further up. Okay, so there you go. Those are my zones. If we break the previous market structure low, I definitely think we're going down. If we break the previous market structure high, I definitely think we would have some issues. Now, to be on the cautious side, we've created this high, whatever, but actually this is the previous market structure high that you want to look at on gold. Key psychological level 23 to 2350. That's a very important zone. So I would say don't try to do too much. Maybe you can take some short-term scalps around in these areas. Yeah. Because look at that. It's very close. So you could look for some short-term scalps. So right now gold is in the middle of this range. You can see we have the supports over here, we have the resistances over here, we have the clean traffic towards the upside over here. Clean traffic, maybe this one we can just change the color a little bit, right? That's the clean traffic you have towards the left. And if we take out these lows, you have a little bit of a clean traffic down, probably towards this area. So let's see. But the main thing is looking for the market structure. Of course, this is a pretty big zone which we could look to trade within, but you'd have to only scalp the zone. Considering that this is the daily resistance right here. Right, considering that that is a daily resistance, I would be very cautious. 25, 23. There you go. I'll be very cautious of this. Alright, makes sense. Makes sense on gold. Okay, so let me know what you guys are looking at. For me, this is what I'm potentially looking at on gold. I think keeping it as clean as possible will help me avoid taking unnecessary trades, right? So let's not take any unnecessary trades. Guys, put it in the chat. Say what's up if you're tuning in for the first time. If you're new here, say what's up. Right over here, we just did some gold analysis. We're primarily looking for our shorts on Euro USD, which I think we're about to get right now when price taps into this area. So when price taps into this area, more or less looking for those 9 to 10 pip stop or 8 pip stop, looking at least a 50 pip move. At least a 50 pips. What do you guys think? EU shorts or EU longs? Put it down in the chat. Let me know whether you think the same or what you're looking at is the same. Let me know. In the meantime, you can send in some charts on the Telegram or the Discord. Let's see what happens. Because I think we're gonna get a nice decent move for sure. And plus we've been waiting. We've been waiting for a decent move, eh? So let's get it, let's get it. Let's get this session absolutely started off to a banger. Feel free to ask your questions in the chat, guys. You guys know the vibe. We like to make it as interactive as possible. 13 of us. Hit that like button. Okay, Ash, Josh, send in your charts. Awesome. Let's see when price reacts to this level. Let's see what we got down there. After we will look at some other pairs. Or actually, instead of that, let's just look here. We go to our daily time frame. Remember, we do all our analysis on the daily time frame. US 30 is showing us a clear rejection from daily resistance right over here. Right, you can see the way the daily candle is closed. NAS 100 kind of doing the same thing too. Resistance formed right there, going back to the daily. Alright. DAX 30 pushing on up. What a candle yesterday on DAX 30. Look at that push up on DAX 30. Beautiful push up on DAX 30. Okay, DXY does look like we're beginning to start its push up. This is exactly what I spoke about yesterday on DXY. If DXY starts pushing up, then the shorts are going to start playing out on the other pairs. So let's see. Let's look at the daily candle again on AUD USD. Beautiful, brilliant daily candle yesterday on AUD USD. What we could look at on AUD USD is this supply level which we've previously fallen from, because we will slowly start coming up to this level and we will have to see what kind of reaction we're gonna get. So that's interesting. I think AUD USD is pretty much short bias at this point. The only place I will... So the two places I will need to check my short bias is over here and when we come up there. So those are the two places we will have to check our short bias on AUD USD. USD JPY in its own world. Yesterday, previous daily candle bullish, bullish, bullish. Very nice daily candles. We've pushed up about 200 pips on this candle, so it's interesting. There's the resistance that is formed right now, which is not very appealing. USD CAD retested the support that we had formed and looks to be continuing up. This is the resistance that is formed, so let's see how we react to it. Euro JPY doing the same thing. All JPY pairs are kind of doing the same thing, so pointless. So now let's look at Euro USD if we can get that trade in. Waiting for the 15-minute to tap that zone and then potentially look at shorting it. Yeah, that would be roughly an 8 pip stop, but we need to. So what are we waiting for? Waiting for a tap into 1.075. Looking for engulfing bearish candle. Okay. Then we will enter. I hope this makes sense. Right? Looking for price to tap into that zone and then potentially get an entry. Let's see. Okay, let's look at some charts now. Let's look at some charts. Guys, feel free to use the chat. Feel free to hit that like button. 15 of us. Let's get 15 likes. Come on. There's no news today. Euro French bank holiday. It's only a French bank holiday, Josh. So that's fine. Okay, let me just open your chats. GUEU GJ. GUEU GJ. Alright. GU sells below 4-hour previous high. Break and retest QP level 1.25. Alright, fair enough. That looks like there's potential. Okay, let's do this, Josh. I want you to zoom in on this trade and see where would you like to take the trade actually, like realistically. So this is a bigger picture breakdown. I want you to zoom in and show me where you're gonna look for an entry, what kind of candle, which time frame. Like, are you looking for a 15-minute engulfing perhaps, or 5-minute, or whatever, 30-minute? Zoom in and give me the thing. Give me the T, yeah. EU again sells below 4-hour previous low, previous high. EU is the better trade. Okay, yeah, fair enough. So you're looking for 1.075. Is that the same level we're looking at? Yeah, 1.075. So you can see the time frame I'm on. I've showed them that I'm looking at this 15-minute time frame because I have these resistances to put my stops above it. Right? If I go above that, then 750, I have these resistances to put my stop above. So that's why I have it on this time frame, kind of showing me what I want to see. Okay? So let's look at that. Alright, and then we have GJ. GJ buys above for our previous low. Break and retest 250. Hmm. 191 250. I think this is wrong, Josh. 191250 is below the previous low. So you'll have to check that. Okay, Ash, looking to break support to look for shorts. Okay, so that's this support. So that's between level 750 and 500. All right, fair enough. So there's a good amount of time before we could get that trade. Looking for shorts, market structure is bearish. But where are you looking for shorts?
I have the 500 level marked on my chart, Sam, but I didn't draw the big zone. But I know that that is the levels that I'm looking at.
So how will I know that?
Okay, I'll just send that.
Alright.
Yep.
GJ also support. Looking for GJ long. Still waiting for GJ to set up well. Okay. Fair enough. So that's why I asked you guys to zoom in and let me know where you're actually looking to get into these trades. Let's look at the sentiment. What happened to GU overnight? 73% longs, 27% shorts. Oh wow, we're gonna short GU today. Yes, please. Nice, GU's a good shot, guys. We're gonna be shorting GU today. I like it. Let's see. EU is also looking good. I think EU also should flip because I think what we've noticed most of the time is EU and GU do the same thing, right? So we might as well look for the same thing. Come on guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's keep pushing up. Let's help as many people as possible in our surrounding. Let's try to remove the fake gurus in this industry. Let's see. Let's see, many people looking at many different trades, but we're gonna be looking for a simple setup. A very simple setup that is gonna absolutely let us have our way today. Right now, 0.25 is one of the main levels I could look at for potentially selling from. Let's see. Although Euro USD is looking very tempting. Well, guys, hit that like button and let's see what's gonna happen. I'm looking for it to break the high and then give me an entry on GJ maybe. Okay, and gold. Oh, gold is moving down now. Let's see what happens on Goldie. It's around 15 pips at the moment. I would be cautious with gold. I'd be very cautious with gold. Let's see. A lot of people trading gold, so yeah. Lot of scalpers in the market, guys. We don't like scalping, we like doing a little more than scalping. What's my win rate? About 65 to 70% at max. Yeah, 65 to 75%. I do not have an 80% win rate or 90% strategy, no. Very real. Many times it's even 55%. It's just my risk to reward is a lot higher than my losing trades. So yeah. So yep. Don't go for. Many times people focus on win rate. When I used to focus on win rate, when I used to scalp the markets, I never used to make as much money as I wanted to. Because when I lose, I'm losing an entire percent, but when I win, I'm winning and only an entire percent. So like I would suggest don't go for high win rate. Go for high risk to reward. Let's see. Guys, put it in the chat. Let me know what you guys are looking at. Say what's up if you're new here. What's up, Kobe Scratch? Light within you, what's good? How we doing? Saga, what's up? Say what's up in the chat so we know where you're tuning in from. Alrighty, fantastic. Alicia, what's good? How are we doing? Guys, hit that like button all the way from Lauderdale, Florida. Let's go. Thank you for joining in. What pairs are you trading this morning? What are you looking at? What potential are you looking at in the market today? Let me know, let me know. Come on, guys. There's 15 of us in the chat. So tell me, what are you all looking at? In the chats. I really don't see many decent traders being able to do anything other than scalping. A lot of traders, all they do is just scalp the markets. But yeah, as long as it makes them their dough, I'm fine with it. You guys can kind of see what we're looking for right on the screen, the description. If you guys want me to break down any other trade, let me know. Let's see. Alright, did you guys send the updated ones of what y'all are looking for?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see. 1 second. Okay, so look at this. We have this resistance which we're looking to come back into 1.25. Entry on 30 or 15 minute needs to tap into a resistance level. Alright. Very nice. Let's look at another chart. What is that? GU. Okay. Let's look at this. Okay, you fixed that number. Okay, you're also looking for this. This can't be like this, Ash.
I just marked the previous QP, Sam.
Yeah, but
250.
your zone can't be like that. So what is this zone?
I just marked the next QP. That's why I didn't put the line, horizontal line.
Okay, so then what is the zone for then?
I was just marking the QP, Sam.
Okay, so mark the QP, but what is the zone?
It's a resistance zone, Sam.
Interesting. So
So price has fallen multiple times. So I'm looking for a resistance and then from there to continue holding it till the support level.
okay, I'll have to explain to you guys how to draw zones all over again. Because this zone is below, or it's in. How can we have a zone that's coming in the middle of all these candlesticks?
So the main thing that I'm looking at is the 500 QP only, not the 250.
But what is the zone?
I just drew it, Sam. I'm not using that. Main thing is the 500 for resistance.
Ash. Clarity. I want clarity. I don't need. I need people should know what you want by the thing on your chart, not by you having to explain. I just draw this zone. So now I'm wondering what is this zone.
Okay, wait. Let's do this.
We shouldn't have to ask you what is that zone. By your chart, they should be like, oh, okay, look at that. He's looking for a cell. His charts are nice and clean. Everything you draw should have a meaning to it. It should be clear.
Yeah.
So put something nice and clear.
So this is what I'm primarily looking at. For it to tap the 500 QP and then look for cells.
Hmm. So this is understandable.
Yeah.
There's a resistance right over here. So
Yep.
you have to show me whether you're trying to take it from a resistance over here or what. So if I zoom out of this, I need a proper explanation of why I'm gonna take it from here.
Yeah.
Which is why resistance tap, resistance tap, resistance tap. So where is my zone?
Right there.
From where I want to sell it from,
Yeah.
right? So you need to draw a zone which people can understand. Okay, we want to sell it from this zone because why? Because this zone is the resistance zone.
Okay, from 750 to 500 QP. Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah, so then if you want to draw a zone you want to sell from, otherwise if you want to sell it from this level, then your zone is going to be up here.
Okay, done.
But where do you want to sell it from right now? Draw it
Me
over
right
there.
now.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So still waiting for the tap in and give us the engulfing candle, and we should be ready to go. Da-da-dun. Let's go, let's go. Mm-mm. So yeah, focus on making your charts as clear as you possibly can.
Done, Sam.
They should speak for themselves. Let's see. Regular user.
Yep, Sam. Send it.
Awesome. So now we know why Ash wants to sell. Waiting for a tap at resistance at 7500. So you've drawn a resistance zone at 7500. Over here, this tap, this tap. If you have your resistance zone drawn here, how can we call this a resistance?
Yes, I'm understood.
Okay?
Yep.
So now we're looking for shorts, QP level 7500, and waiting for a tap at resistance, which is 7500. Done, clear. So I want you guys to make your charts as nice and neat as possible. Alright, can we tap in? Give us a nice little rejection area. That would be fantastic. That'd be really fantastic. There's a new monitor by Acer. 49
Damn.
inches. 1800
wow.
dark curve. Yeah.
70,000.
Yep. It's half the price of a G9. Pretty interesting.
49 inch. Okay. Alright, Sam, you have 3 more days.
And then there is G9 Odyssey Neo. 57 inches.
That is
For a discounted price of 2,80,000.
nice.
So, yeah. This is definitely the goal.
Yep.
Let's just check what are the good games on Xbox 360.
Yeah, let's find out. Nice. Red Dead Redemption is there. GTA 5. Spider-Man.
Interesting. Is there Spider-Man?
Checking for it. I hope there's Spider-Man.
I don't think there is Spider-Man.
Assassin's Creed, Call of Duty Black Ops. Yeah, that is only PS version.
Yeah.
It's okay, we'll ask him to do some other breakings.
Ta-da-ta-ta-ta-ta.
Watch Dogs.
Yeah. Let's see, what is this? Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
Forza. Assassin's Creed Rogue.
Mhm.
I want to try the GTA 5 though.
Yeah.
It'll be nice. With the steering wheel and all. Oh, what a feel. very few.
Yeah.
Battlefield.
Come on, let's push back EU. I'm hoping EU pushes back. Hype Gaming, which monitor? It's a Acer. Where is that? There's a really good new Acer monitor that I was just talking about. The Acer EI 491CR. It's a 1800R curved 49-inch 4K panel, which is really nice. I want actually. What is the curvature of the G9 Odyssey? Look at the resolution on this. Crazy. Samsung is unmatched that way. Wow. Okay, but what is the curvature? That looks so good. I had two choices before thinking and buying this monitor. First, to save my kidney or sell my kidney to buy this monitor. And I did the right decision and sell my kidney to buy this monitor. Helpful. Thank you. Can't believe someone actually put that in a review, man. So yeah, I really like both those monitors. I would definitely like a G9 Odyssey. Let's see what we can get. Let's see. What a clip, yo. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna rewatch it. That's it. I said it. I'm gonna rewatch it. Yeah. It's the best series that has ever existed. Way better than anything I've ever watched. Suits. Hopefully we get this tap in. But talking about, speaking of, this stuff, I think Suits is the best thing that ever, that was the best show that has existed. 110%. Best show that has ever been there. Guys in the chat, let me know if you've watched Suits, the Harvey Specter Mike Ross show. I think that's one show I can just keep watching again and again and again. I hope the spin-off is as good, yo. No, not season 10, it's a spin-off. So it will be called Suits LA or something like that. The Suits we loved and watched is like, that's gone, that's done. Sagar, yeah, Harvey Specter, man, what a character. What a character. Spectre, dude. What a guy. What a guy. Come on, let's get that EU. I think EU is the closest to a potential trade we're gonna get. But I don't think Suits will be as good as what it was.
Yeah. I think anything after the OG never really plays out.
Yeah. How do you build Suits without a Harvey Specter or a Mike Ross for that matter?
Yeah. Indeed, in the season where Micros was out, it literally sucked a little bit.
Yeah, but I mean, like, I would still watch Suits without Mike Ross.
I mean, still, like, he was there for almost like 6 seasons. He used to come. It all happened like how the characters just went off.
I think it's also based on like who are you watching Suits for, kind of, like are
Yeah.
you watching Suits because of Harvey Specter or Mike Ross?
Donna.
Donna, yeah. Donna, what an epic character they created out of her, really. The way she always tells Harvey she can read his mind. Crazy. Have you seen Suits, Josh?
No, Sam.
Oh, Josh.
I this holidays I'll watch.
He
Yeah,
said
yeah.
too many episodes are there, it seems.
Yeah.
Trust me, it'll be the best thing you ever. The reason why too
You
many
really will
episodes.
binge watch.
Yeah, the reason why too many episodes is good is because it doesn't feel like it's ending.
Yeah.
How much is the duration for each episode, Sam?
I think 40 minutes or something.
Okay.
I think it's close to like 40-50 minutes.
Yeah. It's too good. It's too good. But guys, what's better than Suits is The Chosen. What's The Chosen? It's one of the best TV series out there right now. The Chosen.
I don't get.
EU, don't go down yet, man. The Fora looks like it's gonna take the lows and just go. GU tapping into support also. Okay, let's see. Guys, any other pairs y'all are looking at? Let's see, GBP, JPY. No, it's within this 4-hour range. I can't take a trade there. Gold's not yet taken out the support. DAX 30 is pushing up. I think DAX 30 is gonna make all-time highs this week. No, doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. No, I was looking at some old trading pictures, and I was like, how was I so cringe? You know, 0.01. I used to trade Euro New Zealand. Just imagine that, Euro New Zealand. And what is this? NZD USD. AUD CHF.
All W's.
All W. AUD JPY. GBP USD. NZD USD. NZD CHF. Wow. What a random pair to trade. NZD JPY. Euro JPY. You can see how many pairs I traded. It's like, to get to this point and learn market structure, it took a lot of pairs. What was this? Who is this? I think this is the G1 from Capital Hungary. When he posted it like this, I was like, I want it. So I took a screenshot. Can't swipe up now, sad. But yeah, there was a time. There was a time. PNL. US oil, $5. GBP JPY, $2. GBP CHF, $3. Man, this was so long back. You want to see loss? 1 second. Where was that loss? Here. USD CHF minus $10, minus $8, minus $6, minus $31 on GBP JPY, minus 14. Whew. I was getting clapped back then. Siamak, what's good, my guy? Nasiri, gold. You're trading gold right now. That's nice. Don't you think use forming a support at 300? So I don't look at 300. I look at clean QPs, like I said. So I'm looking for it to form at 500, and if we reject 500, we should come down to 250. I follow the quarter point theory. Alright, what's up, bro? Don't you think you use for me? Okay, okay. Gold 5-minute analysis, please. 5 minute? Why are you trading gold on the 5 minute? Don't trade gold on the 5 minute. I personally don't like trading gold on the 5 minute. It makes no sense. You have to do your higher time frame analysis. Where is gold going on the higher time frame? That's where you will be profitable. No 5 minute analysis, my guy. That doesn't work like that. Does not work like that. We're approaching this support. Higher time frame always. And gold is just ranging within this, so I personally wouldn't take a trade on gold. That's why I'm looking for euro dollar. Could there be a support being formed? Maybe. But let's see. Like I said, I come to the charts, I look at one bias, I stick to that bias for the entire day, and I see what's good. If that bias plays out, well and good. If that bias doesn't play out, well and good. So yeah, I personally don't want to do 5 minute analysis. It may not be good. Let's see. Any of you look at the top wick on GU? On which time frame, Saga? 30 minute? Okay. Yeah, but you're right at a higher time frame support, so that's why look at your higher time frames, my guy. The reason why, like, able to do what I'm able to do is because I look at my higher time frames a whole lot. Right? I look at my higher time frames a whole lot. When you look at your higher time frames, you know what is happening. You know what is going to happen. Right? So that's why I tell you guys, look at your higher time frames. That will give you the key to almost anything you want to trade. Let's see. 50-50 on Euro USD. So I'm gonna be looking for shorts on GUU. Once we take out this low, at least we need to at least take out this low. No, even then we need to come down and take out this big wick over here. So yeah, you guys can see exactly what we're looking at. 4-hour time frame, what we want to reject over here. So many elements to this trade. not just a buy and sell button. Euro USD looks like we're trying to reject and go back up. That's it. Can you take a look at GJ on the 1 hour, please? Yes, we could, Alicia. 1 hour time frame. Nice. Okay, so we came up to this resistance. We're rejecting this resistance. We tapped into 194. So price is rejecting this zone. So we're going to be cautious. But the main question, Alicia, is what are you seeing on GJ on the higher time frame? Okay. Yesterday we had a small candle body, bullish candle body with a big wick, which shows us a big rejection from the upside. Over here we formed a 4-hour resistance. So are you looking at that 4-hour resistance to hold to continue going down? Or is the daily, because of that wick, showing you that it wants to go down? Many questions we need to ask. Yeah, so you're looking at it going down. So again, okay, so you figured out you're looking for price to continue down. So now, from where would you like price to continue down? Are you looking to take a trade from this level up here? So looking for price to come here, give you a trade entry confirmation and then continue down? For me, if I'm looking at GJ, I would potentially look at price closing below 750 down here and looking at a potential sell, or more of price changing market structure, waiting for this previous market structure low to break and then look for a retest. So either this right now or this. You see, I have to bring the information I'm getting and do something with it. If I'm gonna get a good trade from here, I want my stops to be above here, so that's around 15 pips for a 75 pip gain. If I want to take a sell from here, I'm gonna look for confirmation to reject this zone, this previous resistance right over here. So there's a good zone. Look for a resistance there to take my trade down to there. So that's roughly around 40 to 50 pips. 70 pips on the main one, 40 to 50 pips on the sub one. But you see, I need to look for those confirmations. I need to look at the bigger picture. Remember, the bigger picture always gives you bigger profit. Smaller picture will give you a smaller profit because you're looking for lesser pips, lesser movements, lesser, potential. So yeah, just be cautious of that. Once you're cautious of that, things will change. Okay, hopefully euro dollar comes up. I'm looking for a euro dollar short. Should have been in shorts since yesterday, but I didn't get an entry from up here. 40 pips almost, so not a problem. but are we gonna get... I'm gonna sit and watch this for a maximum of another 15 minutes to see if we're gonna get anything. After that, I'm just gonna go do something else. PCs. Is this really not gonna give us an entry? Come on. Alright, EU is breaking down already without a warning. Alright, EU is breaking down already without a warning. Interesting. Anyone in EU GU sells? Tell me, anyone in EU GU sells? Guys, also hit that like button, say what's up in the chat. Let's get interactive. I haven't been able to get an entry. On these pairs. Have any of you got an entry on EU GU? Look at this. Do you have an entry when we take out these lows maybe? GU is dropping at the moment. EU is also trying to drop at the moment. So tell me, 17 of us, hit that like button, come on. Entry, no entry, Ash. Light within you says not yet. Alright, not yet. Yeah, same here. Even I was waiting for something which didn't come. I'm waiting for a pushback up to 75 flat. 1.075 flat. Get a retest. Get a nice engulfing. Short it. Hold it. Keep going down. That would be the ideal. Look at it. Yo, Banks, good morning. How we doing? Can you take a look at US 30? Yep. I'm fine, bro. How is your day going? It's morning there where you live. Yep, it is morning where I live. Where are you from, BJ? I completely forgot. Mr. Banks, where are you from? Nurani, can we look at US 30? Of course we can look at US 30. We have nothing happening on the pairs we do like looking at, so let's look at US 30. Daily time frame, we've come up into this resistance level, right? Yesterday we had a rejection wick. So when we go to the 4-hour time frame, we see the same thing. Rejection wick, right? And we're coming up slowly, so you can see the market structure is bullish. We have a key psychological level at 39,000. Look at that. Perfect 39,000. So we're gonna look at 39,000 to 39,000 and 38,950. Okay, guys, hit that like button. There you go, 39,950. That's the resistance zone. I still think we're gonna tap into the resistance zone up here. That's up here at, yep, that's up right there. So there's still little room to tap into that area, you can see. Previously used as strong resistance. There you go, 39,000 to 39,100. That's gonna be the resistance zone we hold. And we're gonna be waiting for price to continue moving on up to that zone. So before we look at that, we need to look at from where we've pushed up previously before on US 30 to be able to get some entries. So either price is gonna go off right from where we are already at, or price is gonna pull back to this zone to then continue up. So either from here or from here. One of the two. That's what I would personally look at. I'm from Netherlands, Europe, but now I live in Morocco, Africa. More freedom. Nice, nice. Morocco, Africa. That's interesting. That's nice. So let's see what kind of reaction we get. That way we can take a trade based on it. But for me personally, I don't trade US 30. I just analyze it as of now, and euro dollar is continuing to drop. And so is pound dollar. So I'm just gonna continue to sit and wait. Alright. I'm in GJ cells. Amazing. Interesting. I had Alicia also in the chat was looking. Didn't get topic on EU to enter. Okay, nice. Yeah, be cautious. Is all I can say. 93, 590. Okay, okay. Oh yes, now I remember. Banks, you're the scalper. Yes. 10-15 pips is what you target, right? If I'm not mistaken. Now I remember. Come on, guys. Say what's up in the chat. Those who are there. 16 of us. Hit that like button. Say what's up. How are we looking this fine morning? And what are we looking at this fine morning? Because right now, Euro USD is pushing without any warning whatsoever. It's just going for it. Come on. But yeah, it's okay. Could we have entered that trade any other way? Other than at 6 in the morning, maybe? Was there any other way? Even then, it'd just be 12 pips, maybe. Okay, I don't think he will come back. Did you miss the trade, bro? Or are you waiting for Euro USD to come back? I'm waiting for it to come back. Again, like, follow the plan every single day. The same way we did last week, the same way we did this week, the same way we made 2.5k last week is the same way we will follow this week. Always, bro. Just follow in the plan. Nothing else. This is last week's results. Oh no, this is the total results, I think. Yeah. Of this account, let's see. Today, month of May. There you go. This was last week's results. Plain and simple. All trades on Euro USD. Just following the same plan, same process. Nothing more, nothing less. It's all the same thing again and again and again. I very rarely do something different from what I've already planned and what has already proven profitable for me. So yeah, it's just because he already touched the area 2 times. Yeah, not exactly touched the area, but yeah. Yesterday also it did something, but again it didn't do what I wanted it to do, so it's okay. Do you trade gold today? No, I normally don't trade gold. Already finished taking a look at gold. We're not looking for much on gold simply because the higher time frames, right? What are we looking at? Are we looking to short gold? Are we looking to long gold? Do you want to trade gold in this 4-hour range or not in this 4-hour range? So you have to ask yourself good questions, which will give you even better results. Mm-mm-mm-mm. So let's see. Okay, let's see. Euro dollar. Alrighty, guys. I guess I'm gonna call it a session right over here. There's really not much to do. Been waiting. Uh, let's see when price comes up to my level. Will I consider a sell or not? Let's find out. But until then, take it easy. Don't over risk. Don't over trade. Keep doing what you're doing. And also, I will see you guys tomorrow. Same time, same place. Keep smashing it, guys. You guys know the vibe. Ciao.